How to join Discord server without invite link. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Rose to guide you to join Discord server without invite link. Without any further delay, let's dive right into the video. Firstly, open any web browser on your device. Click on the search bar and type in discord.com. Press enter on your keyboard. Click Open Discord at top right corner and make sure to log into the particular account on Discord. Once the Discord homepage appears, click on the plus button at the top left corner of the screen to add a server. You can easily create your own server or click Join a Server button. And here we don't have invite link, but here we can easily fill in this invite link option. So let's type in https and discord.gg and one slash, and here you need to name the server that you want to join on Discord. For example, let me choose Cheese. After that, click Join Server button. And here you need to confirm that you are not a robot. Check mark I am a human box. And here you need to click on the entity present in the sample image. Once you have chosen, click the next button. Again, select the entity present in the sample image and click Verify button. And now you have to click on Join. And now a new menu box has appeared where you want to answer this question, that is, what do you want to do in this community? That is, meet new people, share memes, win giveaways, find people to play CSGO with, just chill, or find COD players to team with. Once you have selected, click on the next button. Here you have to read and agree to the server rules. And once you have completed reading, click on the Finish button. And then you have successfully got here. You can click on Invite button and invite them as well. And click on Copy button and you can easily share this link to your friends as well and invite them on the server. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button, share to your friends and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.